Jai Bhagwan, I am Rashmi Sardar and I am associated with Jai Bhagwan Acupressure International organization, which is located in Mumbai in Kandivali West. We are having the videos to discuss about the menstrual issues, and in the last video we spoke about the white discharge problem or the problem of leukorrhea. Today we will be addressing the issue of irregular periods or scanty periods, which is quite a common occurrence in ladies and girls today, and it can be quite frustrating waiting for your period to come, not knowing which will be the date on which it will arrive. So it can throw your normal day-to-day routine out of gear and create other health issues as well. So you should address it, and there are certain remedies which will be bringing forth. The first one is where you use 2 drops of Saraka indica or Jonesia ashoka in half cup of lukewarm water, and you consume this one day before your period and go well into the 4th day of the cycle. On the 4th day of the cycle you have it and you stop it, and this way you continue having this medicine every month till your period gets regularized. The second remedy is the one where we have half a teaspoon of carrot seeds, and we make a paste of this carrot seed with half a cup of water, and this paste we consume on empty stomach early in the morning. Again, start this remedy one day before your period, continue till the 4th day, and then stop. So this is remedy number 2. In remedy number 3, you take 1 teaspoon of ajwain or ajma or carom seeds, and you soak these seeds in 2 cups of water overnight, and the next day morning you boil these 2 cups, reduce it to 1 cup, strain this decoction, and in this you add 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and you divide this decoction into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. 1 part you have in the morning and 1 part you have in the evening. And this particular decoction or ajwain kada has to be had 3 days before your cycle, and you stop once the monthly cycle begins. And the 4th remedy is the one where you make a similar kada like the one like the ajwain kada, where you use white sesame seeds, safed til. Take 1 teaspoon of this til, soak it in 2 cups of water overnight, boil it in the morning along with the til, reduce it to half, strain it, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery to it, divide it into 2 equal parts, have 1 part in the morning and 1 part in the evening, and begin having this 3 days before your monthly cycle starts, and stop it once the cycle starts or begins. So these are 4 remedies that we have given, but it's not necessary that a person has to have all the 4 remedies. You can choose any one of these remedies, but stick to that remedy. If you having Saraka indica, have Saraka indica for all the times, for all the months till you get your period or till the flow becomes regularized. Or if you're having an ajwain kada, have it till your period becomes regularized and till your flow becomes normal. Don't have Saraka indica ones and ajwain kada ones. Don't mix up the remedies. Have only one that is available and that suits you. And this is how you should be having the remedies. Thank you. Jai Bhagwan.